bilateral Indo-German collaboration gig, which was on how AI can be used in multiple areas. So, there were, obviously healthcare was one of the topics. But the core topic where everybody was interested is manufacturing. And that's where there were about big companies like
on that day, but I'm glad that I could come at least on the last day. As Professor Das was mentioning, and throughout this course, perhaps also you realize that manufacturing is the key at this point.
Professor Ranjan, esteemed research persons, dear faculty participants, colleagues, and my beloved students. Very good afternoon to everyone present here. As we conclude this faculty development program, on behalf of Academy of Technology, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude.
Gratitude to respected Dr. Vikas Pandya sir, who is although not present here, but he have guided me a lot of, and he have given me the information regarding this course, because earlier I have no idea about this course. So thanks to him, I feel.
And I got this chance, development of IoT, implementation of IoT and other things already I have implemented in so many projects.
To this program. Besides this, this FDP has deepened my understanding of technologies shaping Industry 4.0, including IoT, AI and smart manufacturing, and how we can.
Sits right beside me. I'm just I see the business development at the back of this company. Coming from Almetrics projects and services, one thing I would like to share with
Sir, standing in front of you from this College of Engineering and Technology, Andhra Pradesh, autonomous, and I'm a mechanical faculty which is working there for the 6.5 years, and total teaching experience is 11.
So, as an academician, I try to incorporate these things in my academic research in the field of sustainable city management and environmental management. And
with their enlightening presentation and for joining us once again today. I would also like to convey our sincere thanks to Professor Dilip Kumar Maiti, Principal, AOT, and Professor Nilay Ghosh, Head of the Mechanical Engineering Department. And
the actual hard work is done by these two coordinators, Professor Kayal and Professor Kundu. I'm so thankful to you. I would personally request Professor Kundu to say a few words, if possible, a few words, because he, along with Kayal sir, is instrumental in conducting the entire program, and they have done so nicely. I am so proud of you being the HOD of the department.
And everything, whatever we are trying to give as much as possible comfort and the enjoyment to you, and the rest is your opinion here. And regarding the food, regarding the everything, whatever we are trying to take care of all the things. And number is in your hand, how much you are going to give. So I request to all of you that you should move to the ATAL portal, and there is a feedback session. You are going to put the feedback, and until unless you are not submitting the feedback, your certificate is not generated. So that's all I am.
Thank you.